Okay, this is going to be a little tutorial how you and your team are going to make your slide deck presentation or your bento box. So in Google Classroom, presentation or assignment number 30 is going to have your slide deck. Now, only one person, if you're in a team, needs to open the slide deck and turn it in for your team. And so they'll go ahead and just share it once you decide who that person will be. They will go ahead and share the presentation with each person in the team. So let me walk you through a couple of the slides so you know what you should include. On your introduction page, you should have a title of some sort. It should relate to your region. Here, you should include the names of each person in your team. So for example, those are all the people in mine. And the last thing is you should have the map of your region. So to insert a map, you're going to go to Insert, Image. You could do a Google search. So this is one way to insert an image, is just search from it here. So for example, let's say I'm doing the Northwest region. I would search for Northwest region map. I would make sure that it's correct. And I'm probably going to have to put in United States. Once I found the map I like, click the blue button. And see how it's too big? I can actually resize by just lowering down the blue box. And it's the perfect size for my team. Now, a couple other things. So your bento box is going to have different topics, and they relate directly to your outline. So for example, this blue squiggly is weather. If you go to the green one, it's geography. If you go to the red, it's locations, and so on. So let's just start with weather. So I'm talking about weather for Northwest, since that was my region. And for each slide, you're also going to insert a picture that relates to the bento box. So every bento box has a snack, right? So for this slide, I'm going to include a picture of a snack. Okay, and my bento has another snack here for geography, another snack for location, and then finally, once I get to resources, I'm going to have the main course. So how do I do that? So I am going to insert one picture of a snack that represents this part of the bento box. So once again, go to Insert, Image, Search. So I need a snack, and one of the snacks I like is celery. And so I'm going to choose, let's have some carrots with it. You click on it and click Select. And then notice it should actually cover the word snack. So now I have my actual picture. Now, one cool thing you can do, see how I clicked the picture and it's blue? You can actually go to this border color, and let's say I wanted to add a border. Let's say I want to do blue because it matches the weather box. So now my picture has a border in blue, and if you click on this box right here, I can make the border bigger. So see how it's like dark blue and it looks really pretty. Now over here, you're going to add a title, and I'm just going to put weather facts. And then you're going to just basically copy over from your outline the 3 facts that you have that relate to weather. So you're just going to copy these over here. So another thing you can do is you can actually change the background color of your slide. And I would just do this by each individual slide. So I'm going to go, basically what you do is you right click, go to change background and click. And then now I can select a color, and I'm gonna once again stick with the theme and do light blue for this slide. At the very end, you also have a thank you page. This is where you can be creative. Please, on all the other parts of it, do not put any emojis or anything like that. You could save those for the thank you page, and furthermore, don't work on the thank you page until everyone has finished their slide, or until you've finished the slide that you are responsible for. Hopefully this makes sense. You'll have to present this with your team. I would practice when you're done so that you are prepared.